Chapter 2, page 1. What was once soft grass beneath their feet gives way to hardened earth, and then to sand, fine, shifting, uncertain. It stretches endlessly, its surface betraying no clear distinction between stability and collapse. Trees, once full of life, now stand twisted, distorted silhouettes against a relentless sky. The ruins persist here as well, though far more weathered, as if time itself has been harsher in this place. Even the rocks bear witness, shaped not by growth but by endurance, and above all, the heat. It presses from every direction, unyielding, absolute. Desert Warudo. Yet even here, one figure advances without hesitation.
すべてうまくいくよ、だろ。雨。
Her voice carries brightly across the barren expanse, defiant against the silence. But no answer comes. Instead, the desert replies in its own way. A faint shift of sand, a whisper of wind, the quiet echo of something vast and indifferent. And so, without response or ceremony, the journey begins. Ami moves forward, not driven by excitement, but by necessity. A party must remain intact. Chapter 2, page 2. Clashes ring out, sharp, fleeting into the open air. The battle is over. The presence of the desert's wrath is acknowledged, challenged, conquered. And yet, through calculated movement and unspoken coordination, the party endures. Each role is fulfilled, each action deliberate, individual responsibility, team cohesion, execution without excess. In time, the desert itself relents. They return, worn but intact. The marks of the journey remain, light wounds, shallow cuts, reminders of what was overcome. But for Ami, the true conflict lies elsewhere. As the others move forward, she lingers, if only within her own mind. What was done before, the control, the decision forced upon another, it was, by all measurable outcomes, effective, and yet it was wrong. Time moves forward, and so must she. She observes, not the land, but the formation. Topi leads, instinctively, naturally. Ami follows, measured, precise. And from behind, you that supports, it is efficient, it is functional, but it is not equal. A thought emerges, quiet at first, then persistent. Why does she not lead? Logic begins to fracture, just slightly. Emotion seeps in, unfamiliar, unwelcome, but undeniable.
これは危険です。これについて何とかしなければならない。
Her voice remains calm, but beneath it, something stirs. Not fear, not doubt, but desire. A need, not merely to follow, but to stand at the front. And within that quiet resolve, something begins to take shape. A hunger, not for survival, not for control, but for power.